Welcome to Learn to Invest Incorporated. We specialize in teaching individuals to manage their savings by investing in solid companies listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Most individuals and families have no idea about investing in stocks and shares, and therefore have fear complex when it comes to investing in stocks. The question that you need to answer is, who taught you about building wealth? Often the answer is no one. Generally, most people learn of creating wealth through osmosis, i.e. from parents, friends, school, seminars, and from financial product salespeople. 99% of the time, their learning experience was through the trial and error method. We want to change that for you. We have put together 10 modules that will take you from a novice to an educated investor. Learn to Invest delivers a step-by-step learning process that breaks down a complex subject matter into manageable, bite-sized pieces of information. One size does not fit all. We recognize that different people learn at a different pace. As a gift, we would like to send a free ebook called The Stock Market, The Untold Story. Please fill in the form and we will have that sent to you as soon as possible.